I would say sentiment is shifting towards pro real estate, more bullish in the multifam market.
Yep.
We're starting to see, again, the phone's starting to ring, and we've been preaching all year, and we're going to continue to preach, fundamentals of multifam investing, right? Cash flowing hard assets, like you said.
Cash flowing is a
right?
big thing. Like people who followed me for a long time know I was like into gold, still love gold. I find it impractical to store, but that's a hard asset, but it doesn't cash flow. So I don't like it for that.
Right.
It's a store of value. Real estate, if you do it right, can pay you and preserve the value of your money. And that's why I love it. I mean, of course, the ridiculous part is that it'll go up in value, but not real value. It'll just inflate, and then they'll tax you on the gain. I mean, you can't win them all, but it sure is better than just holding on to dollars.
Well, there you go. Then diversify, right?
Yeah.
So you have your hard asset in multifamily real estate or whatever real estate you want to buy. You have your vault of gold in your basement somewhere, right? You can buy some artwork.
You got to hide it John Wick style.
Yeah,
in your floor.
And that's going to be the best way to hopefully ride out the uncertainty of the market, right? Is again just basics of investing.
Yeah, not too much concentration in one area. Like, so you have your real estate. I mean, I say that being like a purely real estate guy, like a little gold and such. But
well, I think majority of your portfolio, should be real estate. That's at least what my belief is. And again, I'm sure there's people that are going to disagree with me out there. I think a portion of my portfolio, you can have some stocks, you can have, again, gold, you can have vintage cars, whatever you want to do, right?
Make sure it pays you, right?
Yeah, there's different assets out there, but again, if you can get a small little portfolio going of generational multifam assets where you can give these to your kids, you can run it as a business, right? And proper, where it's actually cash flowing.